Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Update the Astro A50 firmware using Astro Command Center on your Mac, and make sure Mac OS is current. Once done, flip the base station to PC mode and plug it into your MacBook Pro with a compatible USB-C or USB-A adapter. Power the base and headset on. Wait for the base power LED to stabilize. This sequence ensures the base talks to the Mac as a USB audio device rather than a console device, which is why you must set PC mode first. Once the base is ready, press its pairing button and check that the headset pairs. Watch the pairing LED. Then on your Mac, open System Settings and go to Sound. Choose Astro A50 as both output and input so audio and mic route through the headset. Make sure the device sample rate is set to 44/100 Hz if the option appears, and adjust input gain so your voice isn't clipping. This step wires the OS audio to the base and gives you clean playback and mic levels. Finish by playing audio and making a test call to verify mic and output balance. Adjust the chat/game mix on the base to taste. If you want tone control or mic monitoring, open Astro Command Center to set EQ and sidetone, and confirm firmware is current. If things fail, first try a different USB-C adapter or port, then repair the headset by holding the base pairing button and reboot the Mac. That single troubleshooting tip, swap adapter and repair, solves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.